Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have an unboxing. This is from Bloom Daily Planner. I was contacted a few weeks ago about doing some videos for some of their products, so I was able to choose kind of what I think you guys might enjoy. And they sent me some things, so I want to unbox it with you guys and kind of go through everything. There will be a link down in the description below for you to purchase these items, but look how cute this box is that everything came in. I did go ahead and pull the planners out of the plastic just because of the noise, but everything was wrapped beautifully. So we have a letter size planner here. And we also have a smaller size. So we're going to flip through those. These, of course, are coil bound planners. They sent me this, and I think I'm going to actually frame this. Look how cute that is. It's so pretty and neutral, and it says be you, or believe in yourself. And then it just goes over some of the products or some of the information about the company. I got their hand-drawn everyday essentials stickers. I also got a meal planning block pad with magnets on the back. I'm definitely going to use this. And then this was just a freebie that they sent to me. So these are some holiday Thanksgiving stickers. So let's go ahead and get into some of the planners. I'm going to real quick let you know exactly what size and detail. So we're going to start with Painted Peonies. So this is Painted Peonies. This is 7.5 by 9 inch. And it is the vertical layout. And then I'll go ahead and tell you this is called Earthy Green. It's 8.5 by 11. It's a horizontal layout with a soft cover. We'll do that one next. So let's start here. So this is a hard cover. It has the gold embellishments here to protect your corners. So this is a 2025 planner. This is your cover page. It has a spot for your word of the year. It looks like the same information that was on the back of this card. So we have that on the cover sheet, and then we have a full 2025 year at a glance, a letter to myself, where you are and where you're going. So it has a place here. It says rate each area of your life currently and analyze why you chose that number in the box below. What are the positives and negatives of each, and what steps can you take to move your ratings closer to a 10 if you're not already there? You will have a chance to rescore at the end of the year to see your progress. Things not to do. We often think in terms of to-do list, but what about not to-do list? What can you stop doing to get closer to your goals? Example, others' responsibilities, things you can't control, things that drain you, and what's okay to be left undone. So I'll hold that closer so you can kind of see that page. I think this page is really important for a planner. We have a values page. So I'll hold that up for you. I'm not going to read everything, but it also has a spot here to the year of more of these things and less of these things. My joy list. So I'll hold that up closer so you can screenshot that to check that out. I love myself because of, and I feel best when. We have Plan to Bloom. So this will be like a yearly overview. I am a completely different person than who I was last year, and I'll be a completely new person this time next year. I can't wait to learn who I will be. I love this. And then this year's vision. So you have a vision board here. I love this. You have a spot for your ideal week. So you can plan out your ideal week and like goals to shoot for each week. And then we have a weekly scheduling template. Love this. We have a monthly spending summary, a monthly bill payment tracker, habit tracker, random acts of kindness for each month of the year. And then we have some notes pages. Okay, so December, it starts Monday, December 30th. So this is what the vertical layout looks like. So if you're a list maker like myself, this will be the perfect layout for you. You have a spot down here at the bottom that's just blank, and then you also have a water tracker at the bottom. You have habit trackers in your sidebar and a notes page, and then a 2024-2025 calendar. You have a spot for this week's focus. Your January visions. Let me hold this up for you guys. I'm trying to hold everything up so you can screenshot if you want to take a really close look at the planner. Our dividers, this is January. It says start before you are ready. So we go into our monthly layout. It has last month and the next month here in the top left. Your sidebar is on the right hand side. Oops. Okay. And then we go straight into our weeklies, which is the vertical layout. So we'll just roll past those. And then we have a place. So in the Happy Planner, this would be called the currently page. But in this planner, so the page before your new monthly starts would be your visions for the upcoming month. So now let's just go through dividers. February says life is too short to not love who you are. I love this. March, choose purpose over perfect. April, if you weren't ready, you wouldn't have the opportunity. May, live simply, bloom wildly. June, believe the people that believe in you. That's really important. July, you are beautiful, brilliant, and brave. August, grow with the flow. September, embrace every possibility. October, don't stop until you're proud. November, your only limit is your mind. I need to frame that. I really need to frame that. December, throw kindness around like confetti. And then we get to your year of growth here as well. So this matches your, where was that page in the front? Right here. So it matches the where you are and where you're going. So at the end of the year, you can kind of reflect on those things. Now this comes with a pocket in the back, and it also comes with a sheet of stickers and a little magnetic bookmark. So this is really cute. And it says, forget perfection, let's just make progress. So we're just going to leave this back here in this little pocket. Can't get the pocket because of my nails. There we go. So we'll just leave those there. Okay, so that is Painted Peonies, the 7.5 vertical layout. Okay, so now we're going to go through the 11 or 8.5 by 11. So this is a full-size letter sheet, what would be considered a big planner. This is called Earthy Green. It is a horizontal soft cover planner. So you'll notice right off the bat we have a folder here in the front pocket, or a front pocket in the front. And then the insides are basically the same except for the layout. So we have our cover page with your word of the year at the bottom. We go into the information about the company, our 2025 full-year calendar, a letter to myself, where you are and where you're going, things not to do. So same pages basically as the 7.5 by 9 Painted Peonies that I showed you. My ideal week, your weekly scheduling template, your monthly bill payment tracker, monthly spending summary, habit tracking, random acts of kindness, and then we have several sheets of note paper here. Lots of notes pages. We did not have this many notes pages in the 7.5 by 9 planner. So I really like that about this planner. And then we go straight into the horizontal weekly layout. So let me hold this up for you. My camera is not focusing as well as I would like it to. But you can see that we have January's monthly calendar here, habit tracker at the top, and then we go into our horizontal weekly. Now, one thing that is majorly different about this planner is our months do not have dividers. We go straight into the months. So let's see what happens. Yeah, so we don't have that actual, if you'll notice on, excuse me, in this planner, we have our visions, which would be like our currently page, and then we have a divider before we go into the monthly. In the horizontal layout, we do not have that option. So we go our weeklies, or our monthly goes straight into our weeklies. So then we have weekly, 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 and then we go straight into February's monthly. So no currently page or no goals page and no divider. So it's going to be basically the same thing through the entire planner. So let's just go on to the back here. And so we have our important dates for next year. Let's see if I missed anything here. I did. So we have monthly highlights. This is something we didn't have in the vertical layout. So we have a place to put monthly highlights. We have a 2026 calendar, our important dates for next year, and then a year of growth where you can kind of compare from this page in the beginning of the planner. It also comes with the same stickers. We have a pocket here in the back, and it also comes with that magnetic bookmark. Oops. So that is your 8.5 by 11 horizontal planner. This one is called Earthy Green. So now let's check out, let's do stickers. So this is called Hand Drawn Everyday Essentials Stickers. And so here on the back, I'll hold that up if you want to kind of look that up online. So we have 535 stickers. There's 8 sheets in here. So we have some coffee stickers, early start, to-dos. Can you see those? These are glossy stickers, and they are white. So they're white glossy. Here we have some cleaning icons, sick day, doctors, notes, don't forget hair appointments, some travel, looks like suitcase, dentist. So these are everyday essentials. And then this is a budgeting sheet. We have holiday party sheet here. This looks like some activities, movie night, game night, let's brunch, lots of activity stickers here. These look like fitness and kind of like meal planning. More cleaning and looks like grocery or meal planning stickers. And then these are kind of like self-care. So again, you can see the shine. These are glossy stickers. So that is the hand-drawn everyday essentials stickers. And then of course, this is the freebie they sent, which is November holiday decorative stickers. And then the last thing I have is a meal planning magnetic block pad. So here's what the back of it looks like with that little barcode there for you. This is 6 by 9. So let's open this up. This I really like because I can just stick this on my refrigerator, and then my boys, with me working outside of the home, we ran out of paper towels like last week. So this will come in really handy. My boys can just write paper towels on here for me. So we could stick this on the refrigerator. I can make the meal plan, and they can help me with things that we need to restock in the home. So you just have several sheets of that. It is perforated. So there's a perforated line here where you can just tear off your shopping list and take it with you. Again, we have magnets on the back. So that is it for my little haul from Bloom Daily Planners. You can also find them on Amazon, which I think is really cool. So if you wanted to order any of these items and you have Amazon Prime, you could get your 2-day shipping. So yeah, I really like that. Amazon for the win. But yeah, so let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video. I hope you did. And if you did, you'll give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you want to see more content like this, planning videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram. And that is it for this video. So I will see you guys on the next one. Love y'all. Bye, guys.